Welcome to my channel Luxury Car 001, and thank you for joining me today as we dive into the breathtaking world of luxury and perfection with the 2026 Rolls Royce Phantom. When you think of the word luxury, there is hardly a brand that defines it better than Rolls Royce. For decades, the Phantom has been the ultimate symbol of elegance, craftsmanship, and power, and the 2026 model takes this legendary status to a whole new level. The new Phantom is designed to embody timeless sophistication while incorporating cutting-edge innovation. At first glance, you're greeted by its unmistakable silhouette and an elegant, elongated body that instantly tells you this is not just a car, it is a statement. The front grille, proudly carrying the spirit of ecstasy, has been slightly redefined with sharper lines and a bolder stance, making the Phantom even more commanding on the road. Subtle refinements in aerodynamics and bodywork highlight Rolls-Royce's philosophy of evolution, not revolution. Step inside, and you enter a world unlike any other. The 2026 Phantom offers a cabin crafted from the finest materials sourced globally: a hand-stitched leather, open portwood veneers, and bespoke customization that allows owners to tailor every inch to their personal taste. The attention to detail is beyond imagination. Even the smallest elements, like the stitching on the seats or the texture of the control knobs, showcase the craftsmanship that only Rolls-Royce can deliver. For passengers, it feels like a private sanctuary, offering unmatched comfort with features such as massaging seats, customizable ambient lighting, and noise cancellation technology that creates an almost serene silence while traveling. The dashboard is a masterpiece of modern technology blended with classic Rolls-Royce charm. A higher-resolution digital display provides all the information a driver could need, but it remains elegantly hidden behind traditional design cues. The Starlight headliner, a Rolls-Royce signature, now comes with advanced customization options, allowing owners to create patterns in the night sky right above them. This makes every ride not just comfortable but truly magical. Underneath its majestic body, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom hides a powerful yet whisper-quiet engine. Equipped with a V12 hybrid powertrain, it delivers effortless acceleration and seamless performance while also embracing modern efficiency standards. This blend of performance and sustainability ensures the Phantom remains as future-ready as it is timeless. Driving the Phantom is an experience of absolute smoothness thanks to Rolls-Royce's magic carpet ride suspension system that adapts instantly to road conditions, making every journey unbelievably refined. Technology plays a huge role in the Phantom's evolution. Advanced driver assistance features, high-powered predictive safety systems, and seamless connectivity make it one of the smartest luxury sedans in the world. Yet, Rolls-Royce has carefully ensured that all this modern technology does not overshadow the traditional essence of the Phantom. It enhances it. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom is more than just transportation. It is a statement of success, a piece of art on wheels, and a promise of unrivaled comfort. It represents the perfect balance between heritage and innovation, ensuring it continues to reign as the ultimate luxury sedan for those who demand nothing but the best. If you enjoyed this review of the new Phantom, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Luxury Car 001 for more in-depth looks at the world's most extraordinary automobiles. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more luxury car experiences.